Athletic Boy here, and today we're gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be playing some basketball in the rain. It's kind of sprinkling, but it's supposed to pick up in a little bit. But I'm probably this might be like my longest vid, but keep tuned because I'm gonna be live streaming a couple days. But I'm just gonna be playing some basketball. I'm probably not gonna do a lot of commentary, but you guys can probably learn off my what I do or something. But let's just get ready to start. Let's just get started. I was gonna give you guys some tips, like while I'm playing. Like you guys can just watch, and it'll get some tips. But I'm not gonna shoot from like over here or over there because you guys can't see that. But also, if you guys live in Michigan or anything, or you guys like Michigan State, tomorrow's the game. Like tomorrow's the rivalry game. Rivalry. What the flip? With the flip. It's a rivalry. Okay, you guys know what I mean. Well, tomorrow is the big game, and like it's for a trophy. I personally like Michigan State, but you guys like Michigan. It's your guys' zone. If you like Michigan, I kind of like Michigan too. I just like Michigan State a little bit more. But let's just get right into it and start playing some basketball. Feel good. Ow. I fell off and hurt my leg. Kobe. Wow, I made all the way from back there, but I missed such a close mid-range. Again. Well, I just want to tell you guys this, soon, like, in a month or two, like, you guys will be seeing, like, some me playing basketball, because I'm signing up for, like, basketball and where I live, so you guys will see some basketball, in a little bit. Just wanted to tell you guys that, so stay tuned on my channel for that. Also, some football. Well, that's next year, so. Okay. I missed. Try to tip it back in. Or try to tip it out. Ah! That's one thing I'm not good at in basketball. Tipping it in. Oh wow. I'm not gonna like pick it in, but I made it. I guess that might have been a tip in or something. How do you tip it in? If you guys have any tips on how to like tip it in better or anything, put it in the comment section, please. I'll be very thankful. I'll sub to your channel. like in the air, but I still like down like this. Made it. Something like that. I guess that kind of counts. That would have sucked even if I made it. One more, we go back to the jump shots and layups. Ah! Alright, well, promises are promises. I didn't need promises, too. Hey, it's starting to rain again, so. We're playing in the rain. That's such a good jump shot, oh my gosh. Very, very good. Hashtag sarcasm. Hashtag I suck. In the comment section, please name. That rain is so cold. If I do this and you guys think I'm dabbing, no, I just do this like stretch my arms real quick. I don't know why I do it. It's stretch for me. Man, my jump shot is actually off, man. What's poppin', Jake Pauls? It's your boy, Logan Paul. What? what was that for? Why did I do that? But hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm just gonna end it here. By the way, if you guys can't see the rain, like, you might not be able to, but I'm like kind of soaked in the hair. I'm sweating, but also like it's raining too. So yeah. But I'm also just stay tuned to the channel because I'm posting football soon, basketball very close, like in a month or two. But so like in a day or two, like when this comes out, it's probably gonna be the day in Michigan State playing. But I'm also gonna be doing some what was I gonna say? Shooting tutorials. I already did a dribbling tutorial. I'm gonna be boxing up tutorial. Like it'll make your shots going more, like a lot more, and boxing out. No, squaring up, not boxing up. It's squaring up to make your shots going better. And I'll also be doing like rebounding tips, boxing out tips where you can box out and get the rebound. And I'll probably figure some more out. But if you guys enjoyed, hit the like and subscribe button. And peace out.